Hey students, I want to show you how to use this feature on your Nearpod. You have a couple different ways to do it. One way is you might have a special tool called a stylus, which is kind of like a pen that you use on your Surface Pro, where you can use it like a pen or a pencil, and you can actually write on this, like it's like a worksheet. What you do is you are going to go right here at the bottom where these circles are, click this one that looks like a pen, and you can choose your color. You can choose how big you want it to be. So if you want it to be super big, it'll look like this. You want it to be smaller, make it tiny. And then you can just write right here. Okay, let's say you want to erase it. Here's the eraser. Erase, 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 erase. Okay, your other option, maybe you don't have a stylus, or you want to practice your typing. You're going to go to this T. The little T here stands for text. And the little text box just popped up. We want to click this little T to drag it over to where the line is. And see these blue dots? We're going to resize it to where it fits in the line. Okay? Then you want to pick a color that you want, how big you want your text to be. You see how it's going big and then small? So maybe like this size would be good. So the question says, favorite thing to do? Maybe your favorite thing is watching TV. But what happens if you're in the middle of typing and all of a sudden you click off? And then you're like, oh gosh, how do I get back on? Go back to the T, and you can just click back on those words. So let's say you want to start a new text box, click on the T, and a new one pops up. Drag and resize. Favorite color? Blue. But then let's say you don't really know what something is. Just leave it blank and you could come back. So those are two ways that you are able to write on this worksheet. And let's say you just don't like anything. You can go to this X right here, and it goes to erase the whole drawing. Let me know if you have any more questions.